This is the tropical Kraton fruit, as it's called here in Thailand. In other places, it's commonly called Santol. This one is slightly old, and let me open it up to show you what it looks like inside. It has these huge, fleshy seeds. Yeah, I've got to grow these. Now, if you're going to grow these seeds, it's best to have the fresh fruit, because the seeds lose their viability extremely quickly. I'm not going to do anything special to these seeds. In fact, I'm just going to clean off as much of the fleshy pulp as possible. Bury the seed about ½ inch deep in soil, about 1 centimeter. I got 4 seeds, and for purposes of this video, I'm going to plant them all in one container. If you are growing the seeds to have trees, I suggest you place 1 seed in each starter container. It took about 2.5 weeks for the first seed to germinate. They're really huge when they come out of the soil. Check them out. Here they are after another week. All 4 seeds germinated and are growing really well. I give them a lot of sun, at least 3 or 4 hours a day of direct, intense tropical sun. And as long as the soil stays moist, the seedlings seem to do fine. So it was my experience that fresh Santol seeds are quite easy to germinate and require no special preparation. Be sure and support my channel by leaving a comment below, ticking that like button, and of course subscribing. Happy seed growing, everyone. Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!